to link your bank account to Robinhood on mobile. Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to link your bank account to Robinhood app using your mobile device. Start by opening Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap the account icon. It looks like a person in the bottom right corner of the screen. From your account menu, tap on the option labeled Transfers. This is where you can manage your bank connections and fund transfers. Within the transfer section, find and tap on Link Accounts. This will show your current connections and allow you to add a new one. Tap Add New Account and you'll see a list of bank accounts to choose from. You can also search for your bank using the search bar. Once you select your bank, enter your online banking credentials. Robinhood uses secure methods to connect your bank safely. After signing in, select the specific account you want to link, such as checking or savings, for deposits and withdrawals. You'll receive a confirmation message once your bank is successfully linked. You can now move money in and out of your Robinhood account.